I have one car. One. Two construction cones. 1, 2. 3 drums. 1, 2, 3. Woo! 4 wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 mailboxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 jars of jam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 keys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 nails. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh no! My crates fell on the ground. Now my wagon has 0 crates. Help me count the 10 to put them back in my wagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We did it! Thank you! Now we're ready to go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Choo-choo! Can you see how many blue cars we have today? That's right, just one.
Wait, car! I didn't mean you go! I meant let's go! Okay, let's count numbers one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
1 blue car, 2 orange cones,